Funke, you've just come off a panel discussion here at Africa Tech Festival discussing a need for investment in the space of technology. I mean, the deficit is going to be $100 billion was one of the figures I read. How do we address this?
I think we address it by looking at more innovative and better orchestration of the ecosystem across the geography so that the capital investment that's going in is delivering maximum value. We need to be outcome-based in terms of connecting our citizens as a right and an essential utility to have digital access. And we do not believe that the investments are going to come from one sector of the digital economy value chain, but it's going to be a combination of infrastructure service providers, content providers, OTTs that are enabling, as well as providing income to content providers who they're then spending on the networks that would enable the continued investment in infrastructure across the continent.
What role should governments across the African continent be playing in helping foster this potential for investment?
African governments should be doing more orchestration and facilitation. Essentially, their role should be removing barriers, helping to accelerate private sector initiatives that's working, not waiting to block and control and collect input-based taxes, as I would say, permits, but outcome-based. When the services are delivered, obviously taxes, value-added taxes are going to be paid. When jobs are created, people are going to pay income taxes. And so governments should be more focused on accelerating what's going on to derive benefit at the end and not on the input side.
Stunning. Talk to us about your company, what you are doing, and what offer do you bring to the festival?
MainOne entered the market in West Africa as a digital infrastructure player, submarine cables, terrestrial cables, data centers. We have since been acquired by Equinix in 2022, and we continue to double down with Equinix as a global player, global leader in digital infrastructure and building out infrastructure. We just opened as Equinix last month our first data center in South Africa, JN1. In addition, we're expanding in Nigeria and in Cote d'Ivoire, where we are landing the 2 Africa cable in Nigeria and also building a data center ecosystem around the Niger Delta region.
So important for you to be at Africa Tech Festival for 2024, isn't it?
Absolutely. I have been here for more than 10 years. We've been attending on the Leadership Council. It's amazing to see how the conference and the event has grown to be the leading destination for tech on the continent, and I'm really delighted to be a part of it. We wouldn't miss that.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you, Franklin. Thank you.